Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you some best and beautiful shelves for your bedroom. All bedrooms are missing without shelves. There are different bedroom shelves to choose from to meet all your needs. Medicine cabinet or mirror cabinet is the most common type of bedroom shelves. When it comes to new bedroom shelves, it can be a lot of fun to see what's available. Take your time and stay close to the perfect bedroom, where every shampoo, soap, toothbrush, and other items have a permanent home as well as a decorative decoration. The choice of shelves will depend on two main factors: the style of your bedroom and the size of your bedroom. Glass, milky or clear glass shelves are best for modern bedrooms, but they can also provide an attractive contrast to a decorated bedroom. Glass shelves are usually mounted onto such support or wall brackets hidden behind them. Glass shelves are particularly attractive when installed as tiered shelves, as all shelves are the same size or change from large to small as they go up the wall. Roasted or milky glass is best when you want hidden mount. Glass is the easiest shelf to clean, but is also most prone to cracking. When purchasing, look for tempered glass for safety. Plastic shelves are ideal for infrequently or children's bedroom. It is easy to maintain, but generally not very attractive. It's great for kids who tend to close cabinets, push drawers, and fill as much as possible, as they can withstand a lot of abuse. Wood. Although wood and wicker may seem counterintuitive in humid environments, today's treated woods can withstand the heat and humidity of the bedroom. They come in a variety of attractive styles and shades that will make you feel at home in any bedroom style, from contemporary Asia to the Victorian era. When you have decided on the most suitable shelf material for your bedroom, it's time to consider which style will work best. Open. Shelf made of glass, wood, or shiny metal are perfect for open shelf. Open shelves are more useful because you don't have to open doors or drawers to find what you're looking for. You can also create an extra design aesthetic by placing pots and bottles of the same color or same on the shelf. When you have decided on the most suitable shelf material for your bedroom, it's time to consider which style will work best. Open. Shelf made of glass, wood, or shiny metal are perfect for open shelf. Open shelves are more useful because you don't have to open doors or drawers to find what you're looking for. You can also create an extra design aesthetic by placing pots and bottles of the same color. Non-decorative personal items can be stored in drawers or cabinets for added privacy. For very small bedrooms, corner glass shelves provide clean storage space. Cabinets. Wooden cabinets can be opened with glass or wooden doors. Open cabinets are often designed as cubes that can be used to store towels or larger containers. Glass door cabinets are usually wall mounted, but it can also be placed on the floor or above the toilet. A wide variety of styles make them versatile for small and medium bedrooms. Floors. The floor is mostly wooden, but plastic models are available for children. They look like a flat-top vanity unit or can be designed with compartments or baskets. The cabinets allow you to leave some open and put baskets on others. There you will also find shelves with hanging baskets already assembled. Floor stands are ideal for wide-walled bedrooms, but corner units are suitable for small bedrooms.